I know it's not pumpkin season anymore, but these protein cookies are so delicious, and the beauty of them is that you can do different flavors with this recipe. Today I'll be using pumpkin spice that we made in a former recipe, so check that link out. Begin by preheating your oven to 350. In a medium bowl, combine 3/4 cup toasted oat, 1/2 cup nut milk of your choice, 1/4 cup water, 1 tablespoon of vanilla paste, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1/2 cup pumpkin puree, and 2 tablespoons melted and cooled vegan butter. Bonus, this recipe is dairy-free. You can use real butter and whey protein instead though. After you've added all the wet ingredients into the bowl, stir thoroughly. The next step is to set this mixture aside so that it can rest for at least 15 to 20 minutes to really soften those oats. Next, combine the dry ingredients in a separate bowl. 2/3 cups of flour, 4 scoops of Orgain vegetarian protein powder. I'm doing vanilla today. It has 21 grams of protein and it is plant-based, which I love. Optional ingredient, unless you're a vegetarian, add 2 scoops of collagen protein powder or use a vegetarian option. This up-levels your protein by far and also acts as a thickener. Next, add 1 teaspoon baking soda and 1 teaspoon baking powder and then 2 tablespoons of Psyllium husk powder. I'm a big fan of adding a little extra fiber to things. Add a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, mix well, add 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. Mix well once more and add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, incorporating them together but not over mixing. Your batter should resemble something similar to banana bread batter. Lightly grease some muffin tins. I'm using muffin top tins because I have them and they make the perfect size and shape cookie. Regular muffin tins will work, and I've even done this on a cookie sheet. Next, chop some walnuts and sprinkle on the top. This is an optional addition, but I like a little crunch on my cookies after they're done cooking. It also adds a wonderful nutty flavor to the mix. These cookies are packed with flavor and protein, and they're not overly sweet, having minimal sweetener added to them. Consider using raspberries or peanut butter and chocolate instead of pumpkin and pumpkin spice. Into the oven they go for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. Subscribe, share, like, and save, and enter cookie into the comments if this recipe looks delicious to you. Thanks for watching.